Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to get in touch with AliExpress Customer Service. Open AliExpress application on your device and then go to your account at the bottom side of the screen, and here you should find Help Center that looks like this, headphones icon. Here you can see popular solutions, frequently asked questions, and at the bottom you can use online service button that redirects you to chat with agent. Here write your question, then send it and wait for their response. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.